Special Tactics is not only a highly disciplined ground soft combat force, but it's also the most highly motivated and talented combat support airmen in our ranks, all who are essential to the mission and victory. Special Tactics is also a community of families who are the epitome of strength and the fabric of our nation. In the face of unending challenges, our families are the foundation from which we are able to stand and fight. We are indebted to your constant service, support, and sacrifice. This memorial is a representation of our enduring commitment to our people. It stands here to ensure the legacy of service, courage, and sacrifice of our airmen, past, present, and future, and is never forgotten.
In this community, uncommon valor is a common virtue. But the costs of war are real, and Special Tactics Airmen understand these costs as well as anyone. The price of admission to this community is higher than most are willing to pay. Checks signed with blood and cashed in loved ones' tears. But unlike the bronze figure who stands alone in this field of aircraft, Special Tactics Airmen do not stand alone. They're part of an incredible family, both at home and in the field. The words on this memorial capture the spirit of this community. As long as there's an enemy in front of us, a teammate beside us, and a family behind us, we will fight to the last breath.